So your phone's not holding the charge. Do you get a new phone? Do you upgrade? Or do you just replace the battery? Today I'm going to cover how I evaluated that, because you can actually save a lot of money. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Drone Guru. So today is a really quick video, and I'm going to tell you if I think it was worth it to get a replacement battery for my LG G5 smartphone. For me personally, I was not ready to upgrade my phone just yet. I got this last fall because my phone just kept dying. It couldn't hold a charge, and I didn't know if my phone was going out or it was the battery, but usually when that's happening, it's the battery, which is the problem. So I did order this new battery and switched it out, and I got to tell you that it actually did work. It kept that charge way longer. It didn't seem like it was brand new. When I got the phone brand new, I feel like it stayed charged even longer than that. But, phones wear out. They're like little laptops in our hands. If you'd compare them to that, maybe they're like, little computers that we use for everything. And we use them on a daily basis all day. Most of us are addicted to our phones and we're glued to them. We drop them. So they're really not meant to last a long time, unfortunately. At least smartphones are. Those flip phones are very reliable and those things last forever, but a smartphone just isn't meant to last a long time. So eventually you do have to either replace your phone or upgrade. Usually you're forced into upgrades. You've seen my videos on like KineMaster video editing app. I actually got downgraded with KineMaster because my phone, after the 2-year mark, KineMaster was acting all weird on me, and I wasn't able to render videos in the resolution I wanted. It bumped me down, limiting me to 1080p. I think now it's back up though, so I can render in pretty good resolution, but it limits my video layers and that sort of thing. So an upgrade is inevitable. I'm actually getting a LG V40 this week, which I'm pretty excited about because my camera lens is having problems focusing now. I think you might be able to see that a little bit. So it's time for a new phone. But here's the kicker here. This battery, if it cost me $40, I want you to think about this. That was after my phone was already 2 years old, so I was done paying the monthly payment on my phone. And a phone monthly payment is usually $40 to $50, unless you get a really nice phone. It might be upwards of $60 or $70. But let's stick with $40. So this battery was a one-time charge of $40. It allowed me to use my phone for another 8 months. So if you take 40 times 8 and then minus the initial charge for the battery, that's how much longer I wanted to go before upgrading to a new phone. So I saved all of that money, okay? And then when it was time to upgrade, I got the new phone and I got a monthly bill with the phone. But if you have an old phone and you don't feel like you need to upgrade just yet, don't feel forced into it. You can get a new battery. You can even buy a replacement phone sometimes if they're kind of outdated for a pretty good price, on Amazon. But for me, it just wasn't worth the hassle of transferring my data and going through all that crap. I just wanted to be able to use my phone a little longer. This week though, I'm ready to upgrade, but I wanted to share with you all that it was worth it to buy this battery, and it did work. Now, if you put the new battery in, please read the directions. These are pretty advanced batteries here. I'm not sure, I assume lithium ion, yep, lithium ion battery. When you put this in, just turn your phone off, put it in, and charge it for at least 12 hours. So charge it overnight and a little more, because you want this battery to have that full charge initially, because I don't know how it all works, but batteries do have memory. And if y'all remember the NiCad batteries, if you were into like RC planes or boats or stuff like that, the NiCads, you had to drain them completely and then charge them fully, otherwise you damage the battery. These are a little bit more advanced, but that initial charge, make sure you turn the phone off, you charge it for 12 hours, and then you can turn your phone back on. So hope this helped. There's a link down below if you want to get a new battery for some common phones. If you're ready to upgrade, just go for the upgrade, but don't feel forced into it, because I don't like the idea that phone companies who kind of like force us into a position where we have to upgrade to like an $800 or $1,000 phone. That just sucks. Eventually it's got to happen, but if you're not ready for it, just replace the battery and wait till you are ready. So hope this helped all of you. Thanks for watching today. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to Drone Guru on YouTube. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time.